When I work with a lot of Gen Zs and millennials, and I see them coming to the job as if, they do us a favor working for us. But I love working with them.
This generation is brutally honest, and that's why that's it. They will not take nonsense from anybody.
हमसे पहले वाली जनरेशन ने एक बेस सेटअप कर दिया है. हमारी सारी जो बेसिक नीड्स होती हैं कि घर, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, ऑप्शन सेट कर दिए, तो हम क्यों नहीं थोड़े से बदतमीज़ होकर सही चीज़ें चूज़ करें? Why we are dreamy and we are delulu, and that's our power.
First, I would like to tell Raj, you are not the only Gen Z here, right?
You are.
Don't try to say that you are Gen Z, we are not, right? All of us here are. He is Alpha, right? The Gen Alpha comes from this guy.
I agree.
Yes, they are misunderstood, but behind that chaos lies a certain sense of purpose to do exactly what we are all aiming to do, which is to fix the country.
Do we need to learn things? Yes. Are we immature? Yes. But that's the beauty, because our innocence is our power. जो पहले की जनरेशन सिर्फ सोचती थी कि हम इंडिया में नाम कैसे करें, अब हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि ओके, India is a small level. How do we take India to the world?
They are not the consumers of content, but they are the ones who are going to be the creators of content tomorrow.
और अभी इस साल हमारा सीजन 5 आने वाला है, और उसमें हम लोगों ने स्पेशली बोला है ये प्रोड्यूसर्स और मेकर्स को कि प्लीज़ ब्रिंग दीज यंग गाइज, बिकॉज देयर आइडियाज़ आर डिफरेंट एंड दे आर रेडी टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड. हम लोगों को हमारी मैम मार के टीचर्स हिस्ट्री पढ़ाते थे, और आजकल ये लोग हिस्ट्री बना रहे हैं.
What is the core value of your leadership today that keeps you grounded in a changing environment? Maybe we can begin with Aman.
Hi, good to see you again, Mike. I was scared when they said that you are interviewing us, because brute is normally brutal on people, but please be kind to us today. All right.
I'll do my best.
So, I have seen a lot of changes happen. When I entered the workforce, I remember, my mom was also a teacher in Don Bosco School. So, but when I entered the workforce, एक्चुअली मम्मी इंटरव्यू से पहले ना दही चीनी खिलाती थी कि आप इंटरव्यू पे जा रहे हैं तो अच्छा इंटरव्यू होगा टाइप्स. और आजकल जब मैं व्हेन आई वर्क विद अ लॉट ऑफ जेन जीज एंड मिलेनियल्स, एंड आई सी देम coming to the job as if they do us a favor working for us, right? so it's a very different world. But I love working with them. They bring a different perspective. They may not have the right experience which others may have, but their exposure is amazing. And it's if you don't learn how to work together with them, then today companies like us will become probably dead in a few years, because they are the ones who know what moves in the market, what is the right way to approach the consumers, what is the right marketing happening. Like I'll tell you a very small story. I take a lot of interns from schools. I met a lot of school directors. Yeah. So जब interns आते हैं ना, I make them sit with my marketing team, and actually it's a refresher course for my marketing team, because what these guys bring to the table is very fresh thinking. And I was on Facebook, and there was somebody who was an interning with us, 21-year-old. He was on Instagram. And today, all these young guys are not on Instagram, they are on Snapchat, because all the uncles, all of us in the room, except Sunil sir, he's still young. All of us are now still on Instagram, but these guys are on Snapchat, right? So they are moving much faster. Maybe in 5 years, they'll have another thing. So if I don't learn from them, if I don't adapt to what these guys want, then I'll die. So that's a changing workforce where I keep, my mindset and my leadership is more with changing with these changing people, and rather than putting them on what I know, rather than it's more to learn from them than this. So I learn a lot from them.
Aman began by saying, Gen Z is tough to work with, but everybody is selling to Gen Z, wants to understand Gen Z. So hang on to that mic, because you're closest to Gen Z. Shantanu, I'm coming to ask you this question. Since we are talking about Viksit Bharat, what gives you hope for Gen Z? What are the good things that you see in Gen Z when you work with them? And probably even what makes Gen Z good leaders?
Okay, I'm so glad you asked that question, because yes, they are a misunderstood bunch. What gives me the most hope is that Gen Z cannot separate profession and purpose. they just cannot act on anything that does not give them fulfillment. It has to align at the end of the day to quantify what is the impact that they're actually making, be it in a corporate, in a startup. And if the answer is just another soldier, it really doesn't align with them, which they're channeling to not ask for a seat at the table. That's something that ended with millennials. Gen Z is more concerned with how do they fix the world. They're empathetic. They want to fix the world. They have their ideas of how they want to do it. They just want a little bit of empowerment and support on how to go about doing that. And having said that, they're loud, they're emotional, they are very outspoken about justice, and they're very outspoken about what is unfair and what is right. And I think India does not have linear problems anymore like the rest of the world, and that is the exact kind of noise that we need from a generation that's going to be the next leaders of the country. So yes, they are misunderstood, but behind that chaos lies a certain sense of purpose to do exactly what we are all aiming to do, which is to fix the country. And I think they just need a little bit of belief from everyone who's older to them.
Well put. I always call them the "and" generation because yes, they want this, but it has to have a purpose behind it as well. So this plus one. Mr. Shetty, you just heard what Shantanu said about the young generation, Gen Z, with the purpose in building a Viksit Bharat. Now that we know what Gen Z is about, and we have Gen Alpha, which is also coming, what do you think we can change, that one lever in education in schools, that one policy that we can change to give us a quantum leap, give Gen Z, give Gen Alpha a quantum leap towards a Viksit Bharat?
I think what's very, very important, we have to stop the system of ratta. Yani, you know,
Exams and...
Exactly. From ratta, we've got to get back to roots. Once again, I say the Gurukul, we've got to talk to people about, the kids have to understand their culture, where they come from, how that, what kind of a difference it matters. We don't have to teach children to be a part of placements, but we've got to teach them, they've got to learn purpose. You know, we're preparing kids to be placed here and to be placed here. Let not look at them as someone that we're building into unicorns, but humanicorns, you know, with a heart. They say hustling. You talk about hustling, you know. It was mentioned when Aman came on, he's hustling, but he's hustling with a heart. When you hustle with your heart, things work out, and that's why Boat is what Boat is. If you look at Raj, you know, everybody talks about, you know, the way he carries himself. Everybody's talking about Raj and his podcast. It's not just education, it's inspiration. You're inspiring someone with the kind of questions that you're asking. It's a very thin line, it's a very delicate line, but he's doing it just right. And that's what matters. You know, and I think that is what has to come into our basic education system. They are not the consumers of content, but they are the ones who are going to be the creators of content tomorrow. Let's not believe that one size fits all.
Right. Raj, how would you like to add to what Mr. Shetty has said in terms of what are those 2 to 3 skill sets that you think Gen Z can have today that can, again, propagate us into a Viksit Bharat?
First of all, it's really amazing to hear all the people talk about our generation because I'm a borderline Gen Z, so I understand.
Late millennial Gen Z again, yeah.
Like I think Gen Z starts from my age. That's what I know, but I think I'm more millennial, but still. Coming back to this conversation, right? You know, सब लोग ऐसा लगता है कि Gen Z बहुत टफ है काम करने के लिए, Gen Z बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी ही धुन में रहते हैं, अपने ही हिसाब से काम करते हैं, उन्हें दुनिया के रूल्स की फ़र्क नहीं पड़ती. आई थिंक वो सही है क्योंकि हम लोगों से पहले एग्जाम्पल्स लाइक अन्ना जिन्होंने रूल्स ब्रेक करें कि हम एक चीज़ नहीं है 50 चीज़ें हैं और हम ज़ीरो से कुछ एक बेस बना सकते हैं. अमन भाई, he has become an inspiration for every startup founder that you talk to. right? Shantanu, incredible work with everything that he's touched, and we all know what he's done for pets and like all around the country, right? तो जब हमसे पहले वाली जनरेशन ने एक बेस सेटअप कर दिया है, हमारी सारी जो बेसिक नीड्स होती हैं कि घर, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, ऑप्शन सेट कर दिए, तो हम क्यों नहीं थोड़े से बदतमीज़ होकर सही चीज़ें चूज़ करें? Why not? I think आप लोग सब डिसअपॉइंट हो जाओगे अगर आपने जो बेस बनाया और हम लोग उस बेस का एडवांटेज लेके ऑप्शंस को यूज़ करके एक्सप्लोर नहीं करें हम सही चीज़ क्या कर रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक फर्स्ट इज वी आर डिफिकल्ट, येस. डू वी नीड टू लर्न थिंग्स? येस. आर वी इमेच्योर? येस. बट दैट्स द ब्यूटी बिकॉज आवर इनोसेंस इज अवर पावर. एंड इसी की वजह से हम बहुत ड्रीमी हैं और हम दुनिया में बड़े बड़े काम करने की एटलीस्ट सोच रखते हैं, जो पहले की जनरेशन सिर्फ सोचती थी कि हम इंडिया में नाम कैसे करें. अब हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि ओके, इंडिया इज़ अ स्मॉल लेवल, हाउ डू वी टेक इंडिया टू द वर्ल्ड. अब कभी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हमारा योगा कोई और पैकेज करके हमें दे रहा है, ये हम सोचते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर ड्रीमी एंड वी आर डिलुलू एंड दैट्स अवर पावर.
The dreamy and delulu power. Well put, Raj.
You know, this generation is brutally honest, and that's why that's it. You know, they will not take nonsense from anybody. So, which is beautiful.
First, I would like to tell Raj, you are not the only Gen Z here, right?
You are.
Don't try to say that you are Gen Z, we are not, right? All of us here are.
In spirit, in spirit.
He is Alpha, right? The Gen Alpha comes from this guy.
I agree.
So I wanted, अंदर से कुछ हो रहा था, इसको वापस बोले मैंने कुछ. But you know, as I said, you know, first to balance that question, that Gen Zs के साथ हमारे साथ क्या था ना, हम लोगों को हमारी मैम मार के टीचर्स हिस्ट्री पढ़ाते थे और आजकल ये लोग हिस्ट्री बना रहे हैं, राइट? ये 14 साल का वैभव सूर्यवंशी, he is creating history in he did it in IPL and now he's creating in London, right? Hundreds ऐसे मार देता है जैसे क्या हो रहा है, and he's 14. I see at Shark Tank, I see people who are 16 years old, you know, who are coming. एक आया था Deni Bikes करके, there was a student who had come and he was 16 and he pitched in. और मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको सच, आज भी जब मेरे को यहाँ बैठने को, जब मैं शुरू में आया था ना, मेरे हाथ कांप रहे थे माइक पकड़ने, मेरे को आज भी थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. और आजकल के बच्चे ऐसे इतने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, तो अलग ही जनरेशन है बॉस, कि वो पिच कर रहा है 4 शार्क्स के बीच में और सॉलिड पिच थी. आपने देखी है?
I haven't seen this video.
Please go watch.
I will.
Stop subscribing.
Right after this panel.
I will stop subscribing to Brute from today.
Right after this
Yeah.
panel.
So it is an outstanding pitch. ठीक है. And he was at 16 putting a business, और 16 में मैं एक्चुअली मुझे ये नहीं पता था मुझे साइंस करनी है या कॉमर्स, राइट? इतना प्रेशर था कि सब साइंस कर रहे हैं तो अच्छा है, कॉमर्स कर रहे हैं तो लोग बोलेंगे कूल बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आर्ट्स कर रहे हैं तो पहले आर्ट्स का नाम खराब होता था, राइट? तो इतनी नहीं, मतलब इसकी कंट्रोवर्सी मत बना देना भाई मैडम, मैंने डिलीट कर दो ये वाला पार्ट. बट मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है, पहले एक ज़माना था जब ये ऐसे कुछ सोचते थे, अब वो बदल गया है, राइट? ऐसे कह रहा हूँ 20-30 साल पहले. तो ये मैं कहाँ तक चल रहे, आपको देख के डर लग गया थोड़ा.
On the Shark Tank pitch.
हाँ, तो 16 साल का इतना कॉन्फिडेंट पिचर. और अभी इस साल हमारा सीजन 5 आने वाला है और उसमें हम लोगों ने स्पेशली बोला है ये प्रोड्यूसर्स और मेकर्स को कि प्लीज़ ब्रिंग द यू नो दीज यंग गाइज, बिकॉज देयर आइडियाज़ आर डिफरेंट एंड दे आर रेडी टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड. मैं जब पहले जाता था ना, तो मैं किसी स्कूल कॉलेज में पूछते थे कि कितनों को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है, तो लोगों को ना शर्म आती थी बोलने में. आज मैं इतने स्कूल के बच्चों से मिलता हूँ, एक्चुअली उन्हें बच्चे नहीं बोल सकते, यंग एडल्ट से मिलता हूँ जो ये बोलते हैं कि हमें एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है. आजकल मतलब शार्क टैंक हो रहा है स्कूल्स के अंदर और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पढ़ाया जा रहा है. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की क्रिएटिव उनको बोलते हैं प्रोजेक्ट लो और करके दिखाओ. हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था मैम. हमारे टाइम पे जैसे सर ने बोला रट्टा बाजी की दुनिया थी कि हमें रट्टा मारो, अगर रट्टा नहीं मारोगे तो फेल हो जाओगे, बाहर खड़े कर देंगे क्लास के, राइट?
पिताजी पापा सामने ही है.
उन्होंने भी बहुत बोला है रट्टा मारने को. तो हमारा वो अलग था. तो मेरे को तो आई लव दिस जनरेशन. मेरे को तो जितना हो सके मैं तो इन लोगों के साथ जितनी कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं आपको जो पहले भी बताया था, तो मेरे ऑफिस में तो आप आके देखो तो ऐसा लगता है कि कॉलेज कैंटीन है, कॉलेज है, स्कूल है. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई लव देम एंड आई वांट टू वर्क विद, well, I'm one of them and I want to work with them as one of them.